Well, it's day 5, and as you can hear, my voice is a little scratchy and rough. That's normal. I'm sleeping all the time now, which is great. I thought I'd get up and shoot this video for you. This is when things are really kicked into gear. Let me explain. After day 1, 2, 3, and 4, you've got a new immune system. Fat cells have released the fat cells. You've got this huge reconstruction and restructuring and remodeling process going on in the body. Autophagy is in full gear now. This is called aggressive autophagy, where every cell in the body is cleaning itself out. Any cell that can't make it, out it goes. And that's how this is so much different than all the other forms of detoxing and fasting. This is really rapid, it really works fast, and today all these processes are in high gear. By today, which is day 5, because it started on day 3, the asymmetric, symmetric, and now the transit amplifying generation of stem cells is underway in all the different niches. Tomorrow, they'll turn into progenitor cells on day 6, and in 7, they'll start being placed within those niches to replace burnout cells, remove senescent cells, and all that stuff, rebuilding you from the inside out. And oh, there's my ride. Anyway, the whole idea is to just stick with it. For the most part, I just sleep through it. You got to remember, when you sleep, your body's healing. Why? Well, think about it. In a reaction, if you mix a couple of things in a beaker, you don't keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. You sit the beaker down to let the reaction happen. Same thing in the body. If you're up running around, active, moving around, using your muscles, all this stuff, it really makes it difficult for the healing process to be really effective and really efficient. That's why fasting or sleeping is when you heal. So today I'll probably just be laying in front of my great big room fan with the fresh air blowing in on me out of my window and in from my window, and just enjoying the day, coming outside, walking around a little bit, maybe do a little gardening if I feel like it, probably not, and just getting through the day. Day 6 is when it gets a little tougher, because that's when you've got all this gunk and sludge and stuff in the body trying to get out of the body, and you're eliminating it. It's going into the lymphatic system, it's being dumped into the gastrointestinal tract, into the intestines, into the liver, all these areas that are detoxifying all those toxins that you basically have been releasing from the cells and all these burnout, denatured proteins. And so tomorrow is going to be a little more difficult, a little more achy, I guess, if you want to call it that. Really not, more like sludgy. And that'll just about be it. By day 7, the whole thing will flip around, and you'll feel tons of energy again out of nowhere. It's like you just woken up. But so the best thing I can say is just sit back and enjoy the fact that you're fixing yourself at the metabolic and cellular level so that you don't have any problems for the rest of the year. I mean, that's why we say do this twice a year. If you do it twice a year, it doesn't matter really what you do through the year. I'll get into that in my next book, Neogenesis, but for the most part, this is a reset system. You do this 7-day dry fast, the Phoenix Protocol 7-day dry fast with the Fisetin and the follow-on nutraceuticals, and you end up setting yourself back to 0. Get rid of your senescent cells, remove methylation markers, get rid of the toxins, get rid of the sludge. It's like the best thing ever. But for today, I'm just going to be trying to find some place to sleep, mostly, because it's tiring, because your body's saying, lay down, let me heal you. So listen to your body. You'll never go wrong. Anyway, I'll talk to you tomorrow.